Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript program that compares two integers and prints the larger one. This is a simple yet essential task that helps us understand conditional statements. We'll also learn how to handle cases when both numbers are equal. Let's dive into the problem. We'll take two integer inputs, compare them using JavaScript's conditional statements, and print the larger one. If both numbers are equal, we'll display a special message. This is a great way to practice using if-else blocks. Let's see how to write the code. We declare two variables, num1 and num2. We compare their values using parseInt for correct numerical comparison. If num1 is greater, we print it. If num2 is greater, we print that. If they're equal, we print a message saying they are equal. We first pass the inputs to ensure that they are treated as numbers. Then, using if-else statements, we compare num1 and num2. Depending on the result, we print the larger number on an equality message. This ensures accurate comparison and correct output. Let's walk through some examples. If num1 is 7 and num2 is 10, we print 10 as the larger number. If both inputs are equal, we print a message indicating equality. This helps us understand how the logic branches work. Comparing numbers is essential in many real-world applications, whether it's finding the highest score in a game or determining the largest value in a dataset. This logic is crucial. It is also common. It is also a common interview question that tests understanding of conditional statements. Let's finish with a quick summary. We've built a simple JavaScript program to compare two numbers and display the larger one. This is a great example of using if-else statements effectively. Try it with different numbers and see how it works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.